Here's how to make your Instagram story with a photo and music. So let's hop into Instagram, click on the story icon, go to story, and click on any random photo, or you can select from camera roll. So let me select this. I have selected this photo, and now I need to add music for that. Here in the top, you can find this music symbol. You can add any music from that, or otherwise you can find that music symbol over there. In the middle you have sticker icon and the smiley face. You can add music here. See, you have a symbol of music and click on that. Here also you can add music, and I can drag that like this, and see, I can start anywhere from there. Here you can find 15. That is the duration of the clip, from 5 seconds to 15 seconds. This is how you can add music, and click on done. This is how you make Instagram story with a photo and music. Thank you.